Hi Rashmi, welcome to Zoom. A warm welcome. The fact that you have come up with your own talk show, Rashmi ke Dil Se Dil Tak, it's very surprising and especially refreshing for your fans. Like they've watched you in TV, films, Gujarati films as well, right? I want to know when did the thought of launching your own talk show come across?
I think it's a teamwork. I will not take the credit completely on my head. I was aware that मुझे नॉर्मल व्लॉगिंग्स नहीं आती, ना मैं समझ पाती उन चीज़ों को, बट मुझे ऐसा कुछ करना था जिससे मेरे ऑडियंस को भी अच्छा लगे. तो सौरभ यादव, द विद यूनिट, he holds the vid unit entire team. He got in touch with me. And he saw that you have a very great followers, but you're not doing anything, and why? So I told him like I am not a person who will just do it because she wants to do. I'm not liking it, and I'm not this kind of a person who will talk. "Kya re, main ye kar rahi hu." I want to talk something very relevant, logical, knowledgeable, where I also get some knowledge.
Yes.
I love watching on YouTube, surfing on YouTube, but if you ask me to come on the YouTube, I really want to do something that makes sense.
Yeah.
So I had online meeting with them and they said okay. तो मुझे थोड़ा डाउट लगा कि यार ये क्या कर लेंगे, but Saurabh actually got the confidence in me. And he said, okay, let's meet. So then I said, okay, I'll come and meet you.
Yeah.
I take a step back immediately. I don't meet like that though. Then he came up with 2-3 things, and he also heard my own conversation that I thought that I had. I wanted to start with the finance, which eventually I will definitely start. But he said, why to go so heavy when your audience is they like refreshing thing, entertaining thing, which is you, which is about you, but they really want to know.
Which goes in sync with your personality as well.
Yeah. I was like, I make you look cute, but in person, if you ask me, I want things to be logical. I have, people know that I have 4-5 houses, but मैंने बहुत मेहनत की है, उनको ये भी पता है. But मैं कहीं compromise कर लेती हूँ, चीज़ों को adjust कर लेती हूँ, जाने देती हूँ, move on कर लेती हूँ, तो कहीं मैं उन चीज़ों को अपने ऊपर एक जिम्मेदारी के लिस्ट में लेके चलती हूँ. So this is how I have got my learning. That मैंने बोला in our India we have so many things available, but उन चीज़ों को अडेप्ट नहीं करते, उनको जानते नहीं है. तो मैंने बोला लेट्स डू समथिंग रिलेटेड टू द फाइनेंस. बोलते दैट वी विल फॉर श्योर डू फॉर यू, बट वी विल स्टार्ट विद दिस. तो मैंने बोला ठीक है, इफ यू से सो लेट मी लिसन टू दिस इफ दिस वर्क्स आउट. तो श्वेता, हु इज टेकिंग केयर ऑफ आवर क्रिएटिव पार्ट, she came up with this entire concept. They had in mind Saurabh and Shweta and Sohail. So this is how I got into the YouTube talk show. And I was very clear that I will not move out because it's very difficult. That is not the flavor of our show.
Right.
I want a proper people to come home and they should feel home.
Yeah.
So it is more, welcoming also.
Correct.
So this is how we wanted to do it, and we did start it. So this is how I became the producer, and my co-producers are also fabulous. With unit, which is Saurabh.
Yeah, this
is how I started my 2026.
Yeah, that's great. But how did you go about naming your talk show, and what was the one intent? I mean, what is the one intent that you want to put across through your show to the viewers who watch the episodes?
The reality, the difficulty behind the glamour world that everybody see is not actual on the camera. We also have our own share of journey, and it's about the bond, togetherness, चाहे फिर वो husband wife का हो, या best friends का हो, भाई बहन या दो भाई और या दो बहनों का हो. It's about a relationship. It's about a real bond that they have. I think लोग जब कपल को देखते हैं ना तो बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. मैं बड़ी किलसती थी. मैंने बोला यार ठीक है यार, कपल की थोड़ी ना लाइफ होती है. और मुझे जब ये कॉन्सेप्ट सुना था तो हंसते भी थे सौरभ एंड श्वेता. यूज्ड टू लाफ एट मी. मैंने बोला यार ये प्रैक्टिकल वर्ल्ड में. बोलते हैं नो रश्मि, ट्रस्ट मी, यू विल चेंज एज अ पर्सन. एंड it did a lot. So I'm very happily say that I said I'm very happy being single and all, but I understood the real meaning of having somebody in your life
As a companion.
It's not just as a companion, as a friend also. And it's not just about giving a commitment, taking a responsibility. It's about the togetherness, collaboration of two people, which is also an investment of your time, of your emotion. You don't have to be vulnerable in front of the world, but that one person is your world.
That one person is enough, right?
Yeah, and that is enough. You can fight the battle and you can go against the world. If that one person tells you, I'm not with you, but everything, anything that comes up, we'll face it together.
Correct.
भले आप मेरे साथ खड़े नहीं
नहीं
हो,
हो।
पर अगर कुछ गलत हुआ भी,
Then
तो
it's going
हम
to be a team.
संभाल
हाँ,
लेंगे.
it's going to be we and us.
Yeah, team, we, us. So ये मुझे लगा कि यार it's so beautiful. I also changed a lot during the entire process. It's beautiful.
But out of all the conversations that you have had so far with your celebrity guests, which is the one conversation or say one confession that stayed with you after the shoot wrapped?
The one conversation that stayed with me, that you just have to flow. Demand is okay, but just flow in it.
Yeah.
Till the time you don't, आप बाकी काम में आप रिस्क लेते हो, पर यहाँ आ जाते हो तो आप क्यों डर जाते हो? Because you're emotionally attached. So that emotion is also going to go. Don't hold on to things, just flow with it. And वो नहीं करती थी, मैं अलाउ नहीं करती.
Yeah.
मुझे बहुत डर लगता था कोई मेरी लाइफ में आने से, because I have my own experiences.
Correct.
But now I realized, okay, I think I can also be happy in terms of love, and I think when it has to happen, it will happen.
Yeah.
But it's all the couple. They set a boundary of respect. And if the person loves you, wants you, will maintain that. But ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप बोलते हो तो वो पत्थर की लकीर हो जाता
Correct,
है.
yeah.
फिर भी you have to face it.
Situations के हिसाब से
Still
things
have to flow.
flow,
आप
right.
बहते जाओ, जितना आप हो सके उतना बहते जाओ, क्योंकि वो इंसान मैटर करता है, परिस्थिति नहीं मैटर करती.
Correct.
So अब जब वो समझ जाओगे तो चीज़ें और आसान हो जाएंगी.
But what were the sort of challenges that you had to, face as a talk show host? Because when there's a guest on the other side, it's not easy for a host to let the person open up so easily. So what was the challenge that you faced as a host?
No, I actually didn't feel any difficulty. In fact, Vishakha and Divesh, I didn't know them in person. But I'm a very spiritual person in personal life. मैं अगर आपको कहीं नहीं मिलूंगी तो किसी ना किसी धाम में पाई जाऊंगी. I love connecting with people. I love knowing things about our Shastra, and our land is so pure.
True.
There is so much. There are so many stories. तो मुझे ये सब अच्छा लगता है. पर जब मैं किसी के साथ भी होती हूँ ना, तो मैं उनकी बन के रहती हूँ. And I don't change anything. I will allow you to be yourself. Then why would you not even speak to me?
Correct.
But अगर कोई अगर बहुत rigid होगा and try and have that कि इसका find out कर दो, तो I'm not a child at this time. At this point, I'm mature enough to
Of course, you
understand.
have had
So,
your own
yeah,
experiences.
Either
right?
I will up my barriers that the person cannot enter, or I will just shut down. I'm like, I'll just open it in a way that, okay, you're welcome.
Yeah.
Do whatever you want.
Correct.
Will you harm it? No.
No, of
So
course.
this
not.
is how it works.
Yeah. But, you have had different celebrity guests. Which is the one guest you feel was the most, like I said, the one who opened up easily, and the one you feel was a bit hesitant to kind of open up, be natural and just going with the flow?
I think Vishakha and Divesh, they were very welcoming. And I think it took me a little while with Surbhi and Karan to, make them feel comfortable and get it when they wanted. They are very today's couple, in a very different couple. They see life, their living lifestyle is also very different. It was very interesting for me to understand certain things. तो मुझे वो थोड़ा उनके साथ समय लगा, but difficulty तो I will not say.
Yeah. But looking at your journey, Rashmi, you have transitioned from TV to films, right? You have experienced both the mediums, but do you feel TV as a medium still sort of restricts, actors creatively as compared to movies?
नहीं, TV नहीं restrict करता, लोग कर देते. एंड लोग अपना ये बना लेते कंफर्ट जोन, उससे ना वो किसी को अंदर आने देना चाहते हैं, ना किसी को बाहर जाने देना चाहते हैं। और जो बाहर वाला कोशिश भी करता है ना, तो उन्हें उतनी एंट्री और अलाउंस नहीं मिलता है टिल द टाइम यू से हाँ जी और ओके जी। और मे बी आई होप आई एम रॉन्ग, बट ये मैंने देखा है दैट कि यू नो पीपल डू कैटेगराइज एंड जॉनराइज एंड दे डोंट अलाउ, दे व्हेन दे मीट एंड दे डू थिंग्स, जब वो बात करते हैं बहुत अच्छे से बात करते हैं, लेकिन मैंने पर्सनली मुझे बहुत बार बिट्रेल्स मिले हैं, तो आई फील बैड दैट कि आप मुझे इतने टाइम से जानते हैं, आई रियली वांट टू डू गुड, बट यू नो आई हैव बीन चॉप्ड फ्रॉम फ्यू प्लेसेस, तो मुझे ऐसे लगा शायद मेरा टाइम खराब होगा, बट व्हेन इट हैज टू हैपन, किसी के नसीब का तो कोई
हाँ, what is written in destiny that cannot be erased,
It will
right?
happen.
Yeah. But looking back at the journey that you have had, which moment from your professional journey you feel was your highest high as an artist, and which one was the lowest low for you
in person or
as a actor, considering your professional journey,
I
career
think
wise?
मैं हमेशा लो ही सोचती हूँ, मुझे ऐसे लगता है मुझे बहुत मेहनत करनी है। मैंने कभी अपनी सक्सेस को भी ओ वाओ आई एम दिस दैट मैंने कभी ऐसे नहीं लिया, एंड आई लाइक मीटिंग पीपल, आई टॉक आल्सो, मुझे बात करना अच्छा लगता है, किसी को सुनना, नई चीज़ें जानना अच्छा लगता है। और देयर वाज अ टाइम व्हेन आई वाज इन डिप्रेशन फॉर 8 years, it took me a time, you know, there's a lot of baggage that I was carrying with me. It took years for me to, you know, cut down everything, and I started and I'm like back. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है अपने हाई और लोज आप खुद डिसाइड करते हो, जर्नी आपके काम की कोई और डिसाइड नहीं करता। वर्क गिव मी पीस, सो आई चोज वर्क ओवर सर्टन काइंड ऑफ, और ये मेरा एस्केप वर्ल्ड भी था, विच आई रियलाइज्ड वेरी लेट। So now I'm working very finely on both the side and I'm keeping it very beautiful balance.
Yeah.
अब जितना बस में आएगा वही कर सकते हो, बट मैं तो हमेशा एक प्रोजेक्ट किया, then I used to take sabbatical for 2-3 years and then I used to come back. मैंने कभी बैक टू बैक ऐसा नहीं किया, क्योंकि मेरे माइंड में ऐसा था ही नहीं कि मुझे ये करना है, ये करना है, ये करना है। मुझे इतना करना था कि जो मैं कन्विंस हूँ तो then I can ऑडियंस को भी मैं कन्विंस कर सकूँ। So I take time after every of my project.
Yeah, but out of all the projects that you have done so far, which project, say it could be a film, it could be a TV show, you feel was a game changer for you in terms of, you know, it changed the way people looked at you as an actor, especially directors and producers?
As in acting terms or
In acting terms.
I think Uttaran was my very, very personal favorite because I used to write the dialogues also.
Yeah, oh nice.
My director Nandita Mehra helped me to have a kind of a vision that I had for Tapasya. So Tapasya was a lot of people's hard work, including when I was playing, I used to feel नहीं ma'am ये ऐसे करे, तो वो बोलते थे, and then when I used to tell them ma'am logically can we have certain things like that, तो they used to tell me, तो मैं और वो अगर सेम पेज पे होते तो करते थे, अगर कहीं चीज़ मैं गलत होती तो वो मुझे समझाते भी थे। तो एज एंड टेक्निकली मुझे भी मज़ा आया एज तपस्या व्हेन आई वाज प्लेइंग, तभी भी मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया, एंड एज एन एक्टर आई हैड लॉट ऑफ शेड्स टू प्ले। मुझे नहीं लगता है अब तक टेलीविजन में ऐसा कोई किरदार आए, उस जैसे बहुत आए, वैसा नहीं आया।
But Tapasya is like the OG. Iconic, the OG, yeah. But before we wrap this interview, I have a fun rapid fire round that I want you to take up.
That we do it on our show.
Yeah. So the first question is, one celebrity you would love to have on your show, but you haven't yet.
One celebrity that I want to
Have on your show, but you haven't yet. Like the one who was not coming.
not one. We are not going to shut our show. There are seasons. Like हम लोग जब टीम में बैठते हैं तो I have some things that you know. My creative Shweta and then Saurabh and then my other partners, they were like, okay, हम ये कर लेते. But I really want to get this Shubhi Sharma.
Yeah.
Shubhi Sharma and अपने ये यार the LGBT community, and I really want to have them.
Yeah.
Because the world is not easy. The world is not settled. We see things in a very different way. Nature has its own way too. So I would love to have them. Then I would love to have, you know, Ritesh and Janelia.
Yeah, they're a cute couple,
They're
right?
very cute couple. They are like India को represent कर सकते हैं अपने उसमें. They are so beautiful.
Yeah.
They are मतलब वो personally भी वो इतने ही अच्छे हैं.
Yeah.
And I hope my show become that big that I can have them on my show.
Definitely. Let's manifest this today.
I would love to. I would love to manifest it.
Yeah.
Then if I want to have somebody on my show, then you know, Sugar's owner, yeah, but you know वो मुझे वो जो पैनलिंग है ना प्रॉपर उसमें से भी 2-3 लोगों को बुलाया है, because it's very different when you're working, when you're talking on the numbers, no bro, you're different, but when you come, you know,
because also you wanted to get on the finance side, right, for the
that
show.
is why, but no, but our show is all about
Relationship.
about love. It's about the bond. It is about togetherness.
Yeah.
तो मुझे वो जानना है, आप वहाँ पे तो बोल देते हैं बड़ी बड़ी बातें, but अपने पर्सनल लाइफ में भी at the end of the day when you come back with yourself,
Yeah.
how do you take care of each other? It's not easy. 200-300 करोड़ का मालिक जब आता है तो किसने बोला उसको स्ट्रेस नहीं होता? सबको होता है यार, बट वो हंसते मुंह वापस जाता है, तो वो उसको ताकत तो अपनी फैमिली से ही मिलती है. तो that is the relationship that I really want to have.
That's beautiful. The next question is something about you that people assume that you feel it's completely wrong. Like people have a perception about you, but
That I
that
have tantrums. The people think I have tantrums, but I am a woman, and I feel I'm a very beautiful woman. Anybody will try and talk because of the glamour world I am, and they have curiosity about the Big Boss also. They try and you know have the conversation, but the worst part is they come and ask me कि ये सब सच होता है क्या? मैंने बोला नहीं.
is it something that you are tired of answering?
I am tired of answering. So I definitely keep my barriers high. I don't allow anyone to enter in my personal space till the time I don't know the agenda of that person.
And it's good to have boundaries, right? Certain boundaries it's good
I want to have. Why not? Why should I be available for everyone and anyone? I would love to talk to everyone.
Yeah.
But in a very respectful manner. But
Correct.
एक वो पागल मेरे फैंस हैं, मैं उनसे भी उतना ही प्यार से मिलती हूँ, बट there is a line of respect. You cross that, I will just leave from it.
Yeah. The next question is, if not an actor, what would Rashmi Desai be today?
Not an actor. अब तक तो मैं किसी और ही कंट्री में होती. I wouldn't have stayed.
You would have been like a wanderlust traveler.
Yeah, I was. Yeah, I still travel a lot and I travel solo a lot. मैं तो बहुत ज्ञान भी देती हूँ हर लड़कियों को. Solo traveling करो.
करना चाहिए, yeah.
बहुत जरूरी होता है.
Exactly.
It is important, necessary to understand the life, to understand you, to understand the aura that you have, and there is so much more to it.
Yeah.
But where to stop? Also, you will only understand when you own your by yourself.
Yeah.
तो वो बैकपैक वाला भी जरूरी है, वो भी मैंने किया. मतलब मैं कोई लैविश ग्लैमर, मुझे अपनी सेफ्टी पसंद है, मुझे अपनी ये वीवीआईपी ट्रीटमेंट भी पसंद है, बट एट द सेम टाइम मुझे वो लो सारी चीजें भी जानना पसंद है, क्योंकि जरूरी नहीं है हर कोई. आज मैंने अपनी मेहनत की. I have this. That is my journey. Your journey is going to be different.
True.
So I would like to know that side also.
Yeah.
But I love my life.
Yeah.
I'm being honest.
But that also makes me ask you, which is the one place you go to when you need like mental peace?
My Gurudev.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the only mental peace. वहाँ जाके मैं चुप हो जाती हूँ, शांत हो जाती हूँ. मुझे हालांकि 2 मिनट अगर मिल जाते तो मिल जाते, कभी नहीं मिलते. But around him, I feel very secured and peaceful.
Yeah. And the last question is one thing you absolutely can't start your day without.
One thing I cannot start my day without kissing my Oreo. I love my pet and बहुत बार टाइम मैं उसे टाइम नहीं दे पाती, और मुझे ऐसे लगता है they are very spiritual healer. तो जब मैं नहीं होती हूँ तो वो मेरे पूरे घर का टेक केयर करता है. और मैंने बोला यार, मैं ऐसे बोलते हैं मम्मी is coming.
Yeah.
I always treat him like my own son only.
Son,
and
yeah.
He is my son.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
तो जब मुझे उसके साथ थोड़ा सा टाइम मिलता है ना, तो मुझे अच्छा लगता है.
Yeah. And they're the most innocent beings, right?
They take
And the
everything that
yeah.
is possible in your way. And when I but वो मुझे बहुत tantrum देता है. He'll show me his bum and he'll sit and face the other side.
But बच्चा ही मम्मी को tantrums दिखाएगा.
I love it. But वो उसकी कुछ signs और signal होते हैं, वो सिर्फ मैं ही समझ सकती हूँ, कोई नहीं समझ.
Yeah. A mother understands. Right.
Mother understands, but for him, his mother is my mother.
Oh, okay.
तो हम लोग सब उसका सुनते हैं ना, तो he is also part of the family. So he knows that के मुझे इसका मानना है, ये इसका मानना है और इसका मानना है. वो बाकी किसी और को बहुत attitude रहता है.
Fabulous. But thank you so much, Rashmi, for pouring your heart out during the conversation, and I hope that the amount of effort that you are putting into making your show multifolds with the kind of amount of, say, the demographics you receive in terms of views and the organic love that comes your way. Thank you so much, Rashmi. Thanks a lot.
Means
Thank
a
you.
lot.
Thank you.